Hi, my name is Dawn. I'm a simple person who's finally achieved my dream of having a cozy place to call my own. I spent a lot of time envisioning how I'd like my home to be and bringing this vision to life. This is a 3-room flat located in Serangoon. The design of my house is centered around creating a welcoming environment that fosters interaction and connection. Embracing an industrial and minimalist style, the space features a clean aesthetic with a touch of ruggedness. We opened up the walls between the living room and kitchen, as well as the 2 bedrooms, to achieve a more seamless and open layout. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by the central island counter and dining area, which seamlessly integrates the living space and a versatile open study area. A standout feature is the L-shaped cabinetry, which combines a pantry area with a display bookshelf. The pantry area complements the central island counter and dining space, while the bookshelf enhances the open study area. This open design encourages gatherings and socializing, reflecting my enjoyment of spending time with family and friends. The spacious layout will also accommodate my future pets, providing them with ample room to play and explore freely. To maintain a cohesive look and minimize visual clutter, the entrance to my bedroom is cleverly concealed within the bookshelf cabinet through a hidden door. This design choice ensures that the bedroom remains discreet and unobtrusive, offering a serene retreat for unwinding, sleeping, and rest. For the toilets, we chose concrete-like and patterned tiles, leaving the water pipes exposed to enhance the industrial and rugged look. Lastly, I cherish the service yard, a small, open, and tranquil space located behind the kitchen. The patterned tiles here hold special meaning for me, evoking memories of my grandma and making the space both soothing and personal. The design of the home perfectly aligns with my values of togetherness and love for animals, while also creating peaceful spaces for relaxation and rejuvenation.